Hello dear students, welcome to the physical education class. Students, we are in the second unit, which is Olympic movement or Olympic value education. In the previous class we discussed about the ancient Olympic games, and today we are going to know about the modern Olympic games. So let's start. The credit to start the modern Olympic games goes to Pierre Baron de Coubertin of France. It was Coubertin's dream to restart the ancient Olympic games at world level. For this purpose, he called a meeting on various countries in 1893. This was not a very successful meeting. In this meeting, few countries take part. Italy, Greece, Spain and Sweden were the favor of the starting the games. And again on 16 June 1894, a meeting of 13 countries were held in Paris, in which 75 representatives participated, and it was very successful meeting. After this meeting, they decided to reopen or restart the ancient Olympic games. By doing these efforts, Coubertin succeeded in enlisting worldwide support, and the first modern Olympic games were held in Athens in 1896. In 1896, Athens Olympic Games, the first modern Olympic Games, only 9 countries participated in this. This number gradually increased, and in the 1972 Munich, it is in West Germany, Olympic Games, 122 countries participated. And the most important question from this topic is, 3 Olympics could not be held during the 2 World War. The first Olympic which is not held, that is in 1916, 1940 and 1944. In 1916 there was First World War, and in the 1940 and 1944 there was Second World War going on that time. Now we know the first Olympic, which was held in 1896, that was in Athens, Greece, and the last Olympic held in 2016, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. And the next Olympic will be held after this 2020 Olympics in 2024 in the Paris. After that, it will be held in 2028. Los Angeles is in the option of the Olympic Committee. Now the today's question is, you have to give the answer in which country the Olympic of 2020 was going to be organized. Why we are calling was because now this is a suspense in the Olympic movement for the 2020, just because of the COVID-19 or coronavirus. If we will talk about the rules and regulation for the modern Olympic games, rules are very smooth. There is no very strict rule. Any country which is the member of IOC can take part in the Olympic games. So many new countries are also participating in every Olympic game, and women were not allowed in the ancient Olympic games, but in the modern Olympic games this rule was totally changed. There will be no discrimination caste wise, religion wise or gender wise. Okay, then rules are very smooth, and it represented the sports to all. Thank you for today. This was the introduction of the modern Olympic games.